Hey guys, how to download PUBG Mobile on PC. Want to play PUBG Mobile on your PC with a bigger screen and smoother controls? What if I told you it's super easy and totally free to set up? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to download and play PUBG Mobile on your PC step by step. Now Game Loop is most important to first download Game Loop. Link in description. Search Game Loop and click the first website. Then click the download, and downloading was started. Please wait till downloading was completed to click the show folder, and then double-click on the Game Loop setup, and click the install. Installation was started. Please wait to complete to open Game Loop, and you see the top search. Click on it, and search PUBG, and click top PUBG. After that, click the down install. In PUBG installation was started. Please wait. After that installation was completed. In this save to quality, and select quality, and click the save. And the open is PUBG to start game. And that's it. PUBG is now downloaded and ready to play on your PC. Enjoy smooth graphics, fast controls, and action-packed matches. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more gaming tutorials. See you in the next one. Winner, chicken dinner.